Hi, today we are gonna create my own little character. Let's start thinking of it being like a cat, because my favorite animal is cats, even though my favorite Beanie Boo is a fennec fox. Okay, let's give her really big eyes, like this. I don't know why, but big eyes. Let's give her a smile. I'll give her some whiskers. Okay, let's body now. Okay. Now she'll be kind of chubby. That's okay. I'll make her like this. Then her legs will just be like this. I'll make her like holding a mouse. I'll erase this part right here. Then I'll draw like the tail from the mouse holding. Then I'll draw a little tongue. Then over here I'll draw her little tail. She'll be like a striped tabby cat. Okay, now I'll see you when she's all colored, okay? And this is Gummy's rainbow cat. Here, the lighting's horrible. Let me turn on the lights. Oh, and if I'm subscribed to you, this is my subscribing wall. That's my other account. I don't have that as my profile picture, but I made that one all by myself. It's just a masterpiece. I'm going to switch it to my profile picture. This is the land of the bogs. If you are the land of the bogs, please know that I'm one of your fans. Brent TV, I'm also one of your fans. And Hassa, I'm your biggest fan. You're the only reason why I have Slick. But yeah. Oh, I also make these phone backs if you want one. I'll show you how to make them. This is Phoenix and Slick, my other account. Oh my god, I'm almost did a face reveal. Well, I'm gonna need to get that out of the video. Oh my god. Anyways, this is what Gummy is the cat looks like. I'm gonna cut her out and show you what she looks like after. I lost my scissors, but anyway, that's all for today. And, oh wait, no. Let's draw another one of you guys that I really, really like. Okay, start by sketching her out. Can you guys guess who it is? I'll give you one hint. She's also a TikToker. Not all the people that are up there on TikTok are also TikTokers. I'll give you a hint. She's very famous. She wears glasses and her background is like gold sometimes. Here, I'll give you a few more hints. One. Hey guys, it's me, your favorite messy-haired YouTuber. Back at it again. Yep, I drew SS Sniper Wolf. Oh crap, I forgot to do her back hair. Hold on. Okay, so if you want a chance to be on here, I'll watch one of your videos and if I like your video, I will definitely put you up there. If I don't, try and make some better videos and maybe I'll put you up there. But sometimes even if I don't, if you write please in the comments, I will say Yes, even if I don't like your video. Now let's give Sniper Wolf a chance to be up there. Have fun in your new place, Sniper Wolf. Oh, SS Sniper Wolf. Please subscribe or like the video. It will give us more support. Please enjoy the videos. I'll see you next time. At the end of every video, we'll make fan art, but we won't send it to you. We'll keep it on the wall. We'll see you next time. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Stay tuned for next video. Phoenix and Slick, if you watch one of the videos, you'll see my face. But anyway, that's all for today. Peace. Bye.